I'm Steve Darnell. I live in Las Vegas. I have a company called Welder Up. We work 5 months out of the year where the weather is 90 to 115 degrees on the average. So there's really no time to cool down in this town unless you have AC in your vehicle or you're inside of a casino or you're home in your pool. But when I'm here in my shop where I spend about 75% of my life, I want it to feel like I'm home in my pool. You know, I've tried regular fans, I've tried other sources, and they just don't work. I mean, these fans don't do anything but push air around the shop. They're noisy, they're not very efficient. It's really not something that is going to make you or your business or your guys productive. With Portacool, it actually cools the shop down. They're quiet, they're efficient, they're good on your power bill. You can move them around. In this shop without Portacool, we couldn't be in here. I recommend this for everybody. It makes it comfortable in here. If you can make your money back on being productive and being proactive and being safe, that's what it's all about. And when you're a shop owner, safety #1. #2, yeah, you want to have productivity and you want to save money. And Portacool covers all 3 bases. So I know having Portacool in here, it's just one less thing that I have to worry about.